Can 5 magical CVC words save Flurry the Fairy from a scary python? Let's find out. Flurry the Fairy had one very important job. What was it, you ask? To protect all the birds in her kingdom. Now, Paul the Python was waiting to eat his breakfast, and he loved to eat eggs. Pearson the Peahen laid her eggs in a very dangerous place.
Oh no!
She laid her eggs near Paul the Python's house. One day, when Pearson the Peahen went for a morning walk, Paul the Python quietly stole the eggs. I will eat them for breakfast tomorrow. One scrambled and one sunny side up, he said happily. Now, Flurry the Fairy was flying around to see that all the birds in her kingdom were safe. Suddenly, she noticed the missing eggs. Oh no! Where have the peahen's eggs gone? She shouted. Then, suddenly she noticed the eggs in Paul the Python's house. Oh my! I have to save the eggs! She quickly flew towards the eggs and tried to pick them up. But suddenly, Paul the Python came out of nowhere and caught Flurry the Fairy in his mouth. How dare you touch my breakfast? He shouted angrily. Now I'll eat you too. He locks up Flurry the Fairy along with the 2 eggs. Flurry the Fairy was terrified. She didn't want to be eaten by the python. As it became dark, Flurry the Fairy started crying. A little mouse heard her crying and asked, What's the matter, little fairy? I need to get out of here, said Flurry the Fairy to the mouse. Don't worry, said the mouse. The door has a code. I don't know what it is, but I can give you a clue. I have seen Paul the Python open and lock the door many times. Flurry the Fairy stopped crying and started listening to the little mouse. The code is 5 CVC words from the family. Once you key in the words, the door will unlock, said the little mouse. Flurry the Fairy started thinking. Then she started keying in the words. Cat. You are correct. Bat. You are correct. Fat. You are correct. Hat. You are correct. Mat. You are correct. As soon as Flurry the Fairy entered the 5th word, the door magically opened. Flurry the Fairy took both the eggs and flew far, far away from Paul the Python's house. She gave the eggs back to Mama Peahen, who was waiting anxiously for her babies. Thank you so much, said Mama Peahen. You're most welcome, said Flurry the Fairy. Then Flurry the Fairy flew away saying, I'm glad I knew how to read. Reading can be magical. The end. For more videos like this one, visit our channel and subscribe.